Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making a very delicious green chutney with very few ingredients. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need cilantro or green coriander, garlic, ginger, salt, cashew nuts, lemon juice, green chili pepper and water. Okay, so I cut my cilantro. You don't have to, but my machine is really good, but I did it. So we're gonna add the cilantro in the blender, my cashew nuts, and my garlic, ginger and chili pepper. Make sure you use your own judgment because sometimes chili pepper is spicy than you think. So we're not adding our lemon juice yet, we're gonna do at the end. Okay, so we're adding some salt, a little bit water to blend it, and we can use it if we need more water. We can always use more. So we're gonna use a little more water because I feel like it's less water. A little more. We're gonna give our machine a little break, but we still need to blend more because our cashew nut has to be smooth. Alright, let's check it. It looks very nice to me. Now we can add our lemon juice. Sorry. I just want to show you guys, so that's why I'm using just one on that side. And we're adding a little bit of lemon juice and we'll check it if we need more. And we're gonna blend it again for a little. Okay, so our chutney looks ready. So okay, so I just wanna show you. It looks like this, and let's put it in the bowl and I will be back. Okay, here is our Indian green coriander chutney ready to eat. You can eat with pakoda, samosa, tikki, chaat and use as a spread over bread to make a sandwich. It's delicious and flavorful. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. If you are my returning viewers, thank you so much for your amazing support. I will see you with a new video. Until then, enjoy.